Deep Solutions presents Deep Factory, an edge computing device that takes advantage of your existing CCTV cameras and improves the safety around forklifts in your factory. With this little device you can select areas of exclusion. Every time an alarm is triggered, the specific area turns red. At the same time, a video clip is recorded and a number of automatic actions can be configured, like SMS or Telegram messages, activation of visual or auditive alarms, and much more. Different elements can be detected, out of the box, with Deep Factory, like people, forklifts, trucks or other types of vehicle. Other more specific detectors can be trained for your particular needs. Deep Factory can also be configured to determine the proximity between forklifts and pedestrians. When they are too close, their circles turn blue. In this case, on top of the video clip recorded, the system also calculates the near-miss gravity factor, which is the elapsed time between a person being in one spot, and the forklift stepping on it later. If this time is very small, it means there was nearly an accident. All the configured incidents create a data trace that can be graphed and visualized at a glance. All the data gathered inside one factory is aggregated and can be matched with other factories, which allows to make comparisons, detect trends, and allocate training resources in an objective way. For more information, check our website deepsolutions.io and don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.